If you're looking to elevate your PC build with both style and durability, LINKUP's Modular 18AWG Fluorines multicolor PSU cable extensions offer exactly that. Designed for professional-grade setups, these cables bring a vivid splash of color without compromising on quality or performance. Each cable features thick 18AWG Fluorines UL1015 tinned copper wires, wrapped in a high-density flexible sleeve. This combination delivers a strong yet adaptable cable that holds its shape while fitting neatly into your build. The result? Clean, organized wiring that looks as good as it performs. With 17 unique color options available in both 30 cm and 50 cm lengths, you can customize your setup to match your personal style or theme. Whether you want a subtle accent or a bold statement, these cables make modding your PC both easy and visually striking. The single 4+4 CPU power cable is perfect for newer CPUs that need a second power connection, ensuring compatibility with the latest hardware. Plus, the package includes cable combs to help route and organize cables effortlessly, keeping your build tidy and airflow optimized. LINKUP stands behind their product with a limited 1-year warranty and premium online support. While the cables don't arrive pre-curved, their braided design allows you to shape them precisely as you want, adding flexibility to your custom build process. Users from the United States praise these cables for their sturdy construction and aesthetic appeal. One reviewer mentioned how the cables gave their setup a nice touch without any performance drops, highlighting both form and function. If you want to combine durability, vibrant colors, and professional-grade quality in your next PC build, these modular PSU cable extensions are worth a look. They deliver what you need to organize your power supply cables with confidence and style. Try LINKUP's multicolor PSU cable extensions when you're ready to upgrade your setup. They offer a reliable, customizable solution that helps your build stand out while maintaining peak performance.